Hello, Johnny Shark here with your Phuket weather update live from beautiful Cape Town. Oh, and anything over. Top of Table Mountain. What's the weather doing in Phuket? I have no idea because I'm not there. Anyway, hope you had a good Christmas. New Year week, it's going to be awesome. But if you want to know what the weather's doing, let's go and talk to Sean, our famous meteorologist, while I look at that stunning view. I'm a little bit nervous, if I'll be honest with you. Very nervous. Anyway, thanks, bye.
Hi there guys, Sean here from 5 Star Marine with a weather update. Before I do, I want to let you know that Jay Shark, my YouTube co-host, he's on holiday. Literally, I never see this guy in my office until he drops in and does a, "Hey Sean, let's do a video," and then runs away again. Honestly, I thought he was meant to be here full time. Where are you, Jay? Anyway, to the weather. If this is your first time watching our weather updates, we do a weekly weather update where we go through and look at what we think is going to happen for the week ahead. When we do it, we use 3 major apps. We're going to use our Windy to check the wind, we're going to use the TMD radar to check the live radar, and we're going to use AccuWeather to give us a bit of a prediction about what's going to happen for the week. So this is Windy. If this is your first time ever seeing Windy, blue means nice and calm wind, green means a moderate wind, yellow means a very strong wind condition. So this is looking forward to Sunday. What we're looking at Sunday is potentially some rain pushing across Thailand itself and across over to Phuket. So I think we might get an afternoon shower, I think, on Sunday. In terms of sea conditions, quite bumpy out on the sea, both morning and afternoon. Moving forward to Monday. Monday the condition has died down. You can see a lot of this yellow wind has moved out. So out here we're not worried about because we tour in this area here. Further out here is deeper sea. We don't run tours out there. But I do also like to watch the wind condition coming over from the east of Thailand because it'll allow me to see what's going to be moving across. So a calmer wind condition here means we'll have a calmer wind condition over here as well. So this is Monday morning. Looking at Monday afternoon, you can see that the wind has really dropped down. If you've watched some of our other high season weather updates, you'll know that one of the things that we constantly talk about during high season is a higher wind in the morning and a lower wind in the afternoon. So moving through to Tuesday, this is a beautiful wind condition Tuesday. So if you're going to go out New Year's Eve, and Happy New Year to everybody who's watching this. If you're going to go out New Year's Eve, it's a nice day to be on the sea. Moving forward to New Year's Day, for those of you who didn't party too hard the night before, looking like a good day on the sea. Nice wind conditions here, quite good conditions. Moving forward to Thursday, continuing with good conditions. Thursday afternoon, good conditions. Friday morning and afternoon, good conditions. Saturday morning and afternoon, good conditions, all the way through to Sunday. So it looks like just one day this week where we're going to have some poor or some bumpy sea conditions, and that looks like to be Sunday. But every other day of the week we look quite good. So you're in Phuket and you're looking to get island hopping, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday all look like good days for you to get out on the sea. Happy New Year to you all. Now, just before I do sign off though, I want to go and have a quick look at AccuWeather. Looking forward, you can see Sunday they're saying a little bit of rain, which is what I predicted as well. Moving forward, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I think the conditions look quite good on AccuWeather. And for those of you who are interested in the live radar, here's our live radar today. You can see that there is some rain pushing across the mainland Thailand. Here in Phuket we're seeing cloudy conditions but no rain right now, and I think the same here. This will drop its rain here on mainland before it comes across to Phuket. So that's it. Like, subscribe and comment. If you've got any questions, let us know. Otherwise I'm going to see you next week. And Jay, where are you?